With tech layoffs on the rise, there's one thing that's becoming painfully clear. Obsolete skills are a career killer. Even popular tools like Jenkins, which dominated CI/CD for years, are being replaced. If you're not keeping up, you're falling behind. In this video, I'll break down the new DevOps tools that are shaping the future, like Argo CD and Argo Webflow, and why mastering them could be the difference between thriving in tech or being left behind. And stick around, because at the end, I'll share how you can future-proof your skills with real-world experience. Let's talk about why this is happening. Legacy tools like Jenkins worked fine until they didn't. They weren't built for today's fast-moving, cloud-native world. They struggle with scale, are hard to maintain, and simply can't match the automation that newer tools provide. The industry is evolving, and companies want efficiency. They're adopting modern solutions like Argo Webflows, Argo CD, and GitHub Actions. Because these tools are built for Kubernetes, scale seamlessly, and automate workflows better than ever. If you're still relying on outdated tools, you're becoming a liability. So what's replacing these legacy tools? One of the biggest players is Argo Webflows. It's a Kubernetes native automation engine that powers everything from CI/CD pipelines to complex data processing jobs. Why are companies making the switch? Because Argo Webflows is fast, scalable, and designed for modern infrastructure. You can define workflows using YAML, automate multi-step processes, and integrate seamlessly with cloud-native environments. This is the kind of tool companies are hiring for right now. Just check the requirement of many new DevOps jobs on LinkedIn. Here's the bottom line. If you want to stay relevant in DevOps, you must learn the tools companies are moving to. Right now, Argo CD and Argo Workflows are in high demand, but there's a catch. Most engineers haven't caught up yet. That's a huge opportunity for you. By learning Argo Workflows, you position yourself as someone who understands modern infrastructure, someone who can deliver faster, more reliable automation. These are the skills hiring managers are desperate for. I've spent over 6 years as an SRE working with cutting-edge DevOps tools. I know firsthand how powerful Argo Workflows can be and how confusing is it to learn it on your own. That's why I built a comprehensive course to get you job ready fast. In this course, you will learn how to build real-world Argo Workflows from scratch, automate complex CI/CD pipelines, master Kubernetes native workflows with confidence. This isn't just theory. I guide you through practical, hands-on projects that mirror what top companies are looking for right now. Whether you are leveling up your career or breaking into DevOps or SRE roles, this course gives you the skills that matter. The DevOps landscape is changing fast, and you can either get ahead or risk getting left behind. If you're ready to future-proof your career, check out my Argo Webflow course link below. I've packed it with everything you need to go from beginner to expert and give yourself an edge in the competitive industry. So hit the link below and let's get started. Your future self will thank you.